The Tula microphone is not just a visually compelling USB-C microphone, it's also a portable recorder with 8 gigabytes of internal memory, 14 hours of continuous battery life, built-in noise reduction by Clevgrand, 1 cardioid and 1 omnidirectional capsule. It has a built-in stand, a lovely build quality. It's available in several colors. I went with red and I think it's awesome. It's elegant, rich in features, completely sweet, and I'm not sure what to do with it. Let's check it out. EUMONIK, music maker, creator, peace to those that know the name. Have you ever seen a dessert, maybe like a cake at a birthday or a wedding, or maybe you made one yourself that was so beautiful, and although you knew it would be delicious, you didn't want to touch it? That's how I feel about the Tula microphone. It's like a lovely piece of cake, and it's so beautiful that using it would render it useless. I don't know what to do with it, I guess, is what I'm saying. I have a microphone that I use all the time for my vocals. This is my main one now. I'll do a video on this soon just because it is also beautiful, but it has one purpose and it does it really well. And then I also have a portable recorder. This one is really nice by Philips. I made a video on that, sampling sounds at a park and making music out in public. It's good to have a portable recorder. So this has 8 gigs, as we talked about, onboard storage, but it's also a microphone, cardioid, and an omnidirectional. Now I've been recording the whole time, so I'll stop moving it a whole bunch and I'll put the stand back on so maybe we'll get some better sound. Look how easy that is. And it's magnetic, it's got a real good click. But let's test this out. So right now we're hearing the cardioid microphone. Now, as I turn it around, you're not gonna hear a whole bunch in the back because it's only gonna be facing the front where you hear the sound. Very curious how this sounds. Tell me in the comments if I'm crazy, but hopefully you should hear a difference. Now let's turn on the omnidirectional, which is that button right there. And now we're gonna hear everything around us. So you probably are picking up more room tone. My voice sounds maybe a little further away or not so direct. And as I turn it around, hopefully, I'm curious about it, let me know. Again, that shouldn't be changing too much because it's an omnidirectional, so it's picking it up a full 360 degrees around it, which is really interesting. Now, the other button that extremely intrigued me on the side is the noise cancellation. Now, this is by Clevgrand. They're a audio software company. They make a noise cancellation, which is called Bruce Free. I believe I'm saying that right. And it's built into the Tula microphone, which is, to me, I was mind blown. Like, that is so cool that they teamed up with Clevgrand, because I've always had a positive thought about Clevgrand and their products. I really like the way they do their stuff. So, when it's standalone like this, you can't turn noise cancellation on when you're recording, so I have to stop it first and then turn on noise cancellation. There it goes. You know what, to do a proper test of this, let me turn on my air conditioning right quick. Noise cancellation activated. Has the air conditioning been defeated, or is the noise just too much? Here's my camera audio with the air conditioning. Noise cancellation deactivated. How's that air conditioner sound now? I'm gonna go turn that off now. For $200, if you want a fancy microphone that is USB enabled and it's also a portable recorder with onboard storage, I don't think there's a better buy. This thing is incredible. If you want a portable recorder that you can take out and really trust that it's gonna handle the environment that you're in, whether that be rainy, messy, whatever, this isn't it. But then also, if you're in a studio, this is nice because it's more of a studio thing, but more than likely, if you're in a studio, you're gonna have a primary microphone, and using this is kind of rendered useless, even if you detach it from the stand that it has and attach it to something more appropriate for a studio. Once again, a beautiful piece of cake that I'm not sure what to do with it. Although I want it, now that I have it, it might just be pretty and just be on my desk. No, hold up. No, if I'm out and about and I don't have my audio interface and I need a microphone, the Tula microphone is most certainly 100% going to be the microphone I use. That thing sounds amazing, it's awesome, and I regret saying that it's just a pretty piece of cake. That thing is awesome, and I'm definitely gonna use it in some future videos, which I'm really excited about. As always, I appreciate you being here. For the first time or once again, I am Eumonic, and on this channel I make videos about the products, processes, perspectives, and performances of my life as a music maker and creator. All the links down below support my journey in some capacity, all of which is greatly appreciated. Hit the like for me, subscribe, you've made it this far, comment if you have any questions or if I missed something. I need to go make more videos now. Speaking of which, there's some more for you. In this one, it's really good. It's really good. God bless.